Everyone, very good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Ira, Chaitanya, Divyam, Aditya, Panash. Very good morning, good evening. Am I audible? Am I visible, Ira? Chaitanya? Good.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone good? Very good morning, Divyam. Good. Panash, Aditya, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So, today is what? Today is 4th February, 16th session. So we have today, tomorrow, and then next week, and then next week. So we have 5 more sessions remaining, and we are almost completed most of the topics, but still we'll do more deep, and we can do something on your request from the next week. Okay. This week we'll complete all the topics which you wanted to do. Next week onward is your choice. You will come with some topic or more deeping, or we will do all of it what you want from next school. Today we are going to learn about time and measurement. Now I really want to check. I really want to see how many knows we are going to learn. First we start with the basic clock, time and measurement. Then we are going to learn about 12 hours and 24 hours format interchange. And then finally we are going to learn how to calculate time zone, what is time zone means, what is DST means, why it is there, and how to check. Yes, Divyam, please tell me.
I'm in a grade 4-5 split.
Okay.
And not many people in my class know how to read clocks, so we're learning about clocks again.
Okay. So what about you? You know it?
Yeah, I learned it just recently.
Very nice. So it's a good time to practice. We'll start with very basic question and I want to see how many. I'm going to ask individually one person, only that person will answer. Okay? Superb. Ira, how are you? I haven't heard you about yet.
What's it?
How are you, Ira?
I'm fine.
Is your school dress?
No.
No. Looking very neat and clean and organized. Very nice. So let's start.
Test for NPS.
NPS. The NPS school?
Yeah.
Indranagar.
No, it's a new one opening right outside our house.
Oh, so how was the test?
In maths, there was that fraction plus thing. I used the cross method for that.
You were able to do or not?
What's it?
You were able to do it, right?
Yeah.
Good. All the best for the result. Let's start. So, clock, time and measurements. Let me draw one clock. You all have to read, that's it, nothing much. And then we are going to use the calculation to use 12-hour and 24 hours format after this. But you should know how to read the clocks. Clocks and measurement. I only come on screen, Aditya. You are on the screen today. So, if I draw this, very big clock, okay? So you all feel good. Let's put it in between the pivot or where I am going to put my hand. And suppose, I'll ask you one thing, whether you want me to put numbers or you cannot imagine. And should I put numbers here or you can imagine? Should I write the numbers or no required? What do you think, Ira? Should I write numbers on this or you can imagine what is where?
I can imagine.
You can imagine, all of you? I'll put this lines at least.
I can imagine.
So no need to write the number, everybody will imagine, right?
Yeah.
That will give more ideas, okay. So, and this, okay, I'll use different color. The blue I'll use for hour end, okay. The blue I'm using for hour end, obviously it is small one, so you will know. This is hour end. And the red one I'm going to use it for minutes end. As we know, this is 3 o'clock, right everyone? First question is for Ira. Only Ira will speak. Ira, you tell me approximately when I move this now, you have to tell me when I'm going to move this and wait. And problem with this is this only. What is the time, Ira, now approximately?
It is 3,
Okay.
7.
3.
7.
Perfect. And Ira, if I change this to this, wait, I'm still going to change it one more. If I change this to say, can you tell me now? Okay, obviously this is your overhand longer image. What do you think now the time, Ira?
5:36.
Perfect. Ira is perfectly clear. Good. Next one, Chaitanya, are you ready for your unmute, Chaitanya?
Yes, sir.
Tell me when I put this as what is approximate time?
Sir, 2:11.
It is not 2.
Sir, 1:11.
111 is correct. Very good, right, Chaitanya? Chaitanya, tell me if I put and if I put tell me, Chaitanya, what will be approximately time?
Sir, it is sir, 3:40.
Correct. Good. Divyam, your turn now. Tell me, Divyam, if I put not like this, what is approximately time, Divyam? Unmute, please. Divyam.
Um, 6.
Yes.
Wait, 1 sec. I'll be back.
Yes.
I
6 is
need to
correct.
check. I
Okay.
need to check the clock.
Okay. Aditya, before you get your turn, I know you will answer that. Just imagine your mind. Tell me between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock,
Yes.
at what time both the heads will be on above each other? Both heads and overhead will be above each other.
Between 2 o'clock and
6.
Not at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock will be one end on 12 and on 2. No. Think more. What time between 2 and 3 approximately they will be at exactly one above each other? Think about it.
one each.
Between 2 and 3.
I think
So you think, Aditya, I'll come to you till think about it. Divyam, tell me answer.
6:45.
6:45 is correct. And Divyam, if I change this question to this, where I say this is this, and if I say this one is, where are you going? No, this is weird. How much is approximately this?
So 11.
Okay. Then what?
11:40.
11 around 40, 39 or 40. Yes, correct. Good. So Chaitanya knows, Ira knows, Divyam knows. Aditya, are you ready with your answer? I said between 2 and 3,
Yes,
approximately
sir.
what time they are together? Tell me your idea.
Yes, sir. Between 2 and 3, I think like 2 12 or something.
Exactly. Yes, around 2:12 to 13 they will be. It's a high level question. You have to imagine. You are right. approximately, we can see when you go to grade 12 or more, in aptitude I teach this, how to find exact timing to 12, 37 degrees results. But this is correct. Good. Tell me, Aditya, what is this time?
This time, okay. So this is going to be
Blue is our end and the longer one is the minute.
9,
Yes.
9, 30, 36.
That's fine.
I think 37, 9:37 or something.
Very good. Good, very good. Panash, if I ask you this, what is the time, Panash, now?
Around
5 o'clock.
16, 12, 15, 12. I
Say
mean,
again.
12, 8, around 12, 8.
Around 12 8, correct. And now tell me, wait, okay, not now. What is the time now, guys? Panash.
7:30. No, wait. 7:37.
Correct, around 7:30. So is everyone very clear about to watch, to look at analog watch, not digital. Digital is easy.
Yeah.
Perfect. Analog clock or watch, you can all do, right? Very good, Panash, and everyone. So this you know.
Digital is super easy.
Digital is just numbers, right? But this all of us know. But what we are going to learn today, first thing is now, there are two formats, 12-hour format and 24-hour format. Ira, what is 12-hour format? Any idea what I mean by this? Yes, Ira.
12-hour format is like 1 to 12. You count normally. Then you start again 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes.
Then you start again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and repeat it.
Okay. And what is Divyam, your view over 12-hour and 24-hour format? 1 second, Divyam.
So 12-hour format goes to 12 and then goes back to like 1. But a 24-hour format goes to like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Very
Till
good.
it reaches like 23.
Perfect. Before I come to Aditya, yes, Ira, you want to say something more? You are raising hand. Tell me, Ira.
So I was answering for 24-hour format.
Okay. So Aditya, the question to you is, explain to all of us, Aditya, what is advantage of 12-hour format? What is disadvantage? What is advantage and disadvantage both of 12-hour and 24-hour format? Just in your view, practically.
Okay, so the advantage of 12-hour format is you can easily check the time. So
No calculation required, right? Directly you can check the time and tell, right?
you can directly check the time.
Okay.
But the disadvantage of a 12-hour format, I don't think there is any. I don't think
it is. You are in a room. I'll tell you the disadvantage. I know everyone will laugh. Aditya will laugh. Everyone. Disadvantage. Okay. Aditya was feeling very sleepy. Closed room. There is no window. He slept. He woke up after a few hours. Clock says 2 o'clock. He don't know it's morning, it's afternoon or night. You can't differentiate, right? Clock. The 12-hour format is a dumb clock, right? It doesn't know it's morning or night. Correct. Right? Right or not? 12 hours doesn't know anything, right?
Yeah, I found the answer for.
Yes, so Aditya, tell me the clock.
I found the answer for the next question also. And the advantage of the 24-hour format is you can check the difference between whether it's like in the morning or in the evening.
So, what is the disadvantage?
The disadvantage is You need to know how to subtract to calculate it.
You need calculation something. Okay, very good. Divyam, tell me what you want to say. You're on mute, Divyam.
Canada's the only Canada's the only country that uses 12-hour format.
No. In India, a lot of people use 12-hour format only. Lot of people in India use 12-hour format. A lot of people don't know that there are two different formats.
In
A lot of people don't know even there is time zone. Yes, please.
In Germany, 24-hour format is normal, but there are some on the watches and in some there are options of 12-hour format and 24, but more common is 24.
Yeah, in Europe, mostly it's 24 hours. In Americas, I'm not sure, but both formats are used very much. 24 is more maybe. India is more on 12 hours, but we can use both, but depends. If you go to more villages, more, they use 12-hour format. They don't say 16 hours. So we'll talk about it. Perfect. Chaitanya, you want to say anything more before we start?
Sir,
Yes, please.
I think in 12-hour format, there we can check the time easily.
So which, Chaitanya, tell me, when you tell time to any of your friends, you use 12-hour format or 24-hour format? What do you use generally? You.
Sir, 12-hour format?
Okay. I'm asking you, Ira, what do you use generally? When you tell time to your mom, it's 4 o'clock or it's 16 hours? What do you say?
Both.
Both?
No, I talk with the 24 hours format with my father and the 12-hour format with my mother, but they never
Is
asked.
it?
Mm.
And why you talk in 24 hours with your father? Because of different time zones?
No,
Yes.
he speaks more of English and all that, so.
Got it. Aditya, what do you use? And Divya, what format you use more? First Aditya and then Divya. What format you use more?
I use 12.
Okay. And what about you?
I use both because like my clock and my digital clock are like 12-hour format, but like my watch is 24-hour.
So perfect. Thank you, everyone. Let's learn now what to do. So, Panash, Chaitanya, Divyam, Arya, you want to say something, please? Yes.
Sir, you can't tell the 24 hours format just like that, but if it was written on a clock, it will be easier to tell.
The problem with 24-hour format, you have to calculate, right?
Yeah, if it was written on a clock, the 24-hour format one, it will be very easy.
Yeah, right. So let's learn how to convert. But before we convert, I really want to know what is AM means and what is PM means and why. Yes, Divya.
We learned this in school, but I forgot what it means.
If I'm writing correct spelling, this is what it is. Correct? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
What is AM and PM means? Let me see the exact spelling from Google, but this is what I think.
You literally wrote it on the board.
Meridium. Okay, meridium. I think I put wrong spelling. Meridium. I was almost there, but yeah, meridium. So why we call it meridium? You know why, guys? Meridium is a line, 12 noon line. It's a geography thing, correct? Meridium is a afternoon 12 noon line when the sun is exactly on your head. That is a meridium. So before that is ante, after that is post. Understand that is what it is. AM is ante meridium, PM is post meridium. What is meridium? Meridium is generally you can think, say suppose this is, I'll make some kind of say box. So this is my whole origin, okay? So generally this line is center at 12 noon. This is your meridian line, okay? When sun is exactly on your head, you can say meridian. This is meridian, okay? So this is like, you can say 12. So anything before that is ante. Anything after that is post. Correct? We said a post this means after. Post word itself means post. After. Right, Panash? You want to say anything about Panash, AM and PM, your ideas? Before we learn all this?
AM is before meridium and post is after
Post
meridium.
is after, ante means before. Correct? And meridium means the 12 noon line where you say before 12 or after 12, the meridium. So how?
But I think there's only meridium in 12-hour format. I think there's no meridium in 24.
I'll explain that. You're right. That will explain. So let's first convert. How to convert 12-hour format to 24-hour format.
That's easy.
Yes, but still wait, guys, this is for everyone. In 12 hours format, what we say? We say either AM or PM. Everybody agree? But
Yeah.
in 24 hours format, guys, we don't say AM, PM, we say hours. For example, I'll give you the method. Suppose if I said, let me write in the red. If I say 3 PM, the moment you see the word PM, you will say, sir, it's a 12-hour format, correct? The moment you see the word PM or AM, 12-hour format. Sir, 2 AM, 12-hour format, correct? 7:28 AM, 12-hour format, right? 11:12 PM. These all are 12-hour format. Why? Not because of the numbers. It is because of the word AM or PM. Cool? Now, how to convert this into 24 hour we learn, but before that, understand one thing. So in 12-hour format, we'll say AM or PM, but in 12 format, we say hours, 15 hours or 1500 hours. Or people write like this also sometimes. Correct? Hours. The moment you say hours, you get 24 hours. Sorry, Pradash.
You can also say o'clock, like 12 o'clock, 14 o'clock.
You can say 14 o'clock, but 14 o'clock you can say, but generally 14 o'clock is very unpopular. It's all hours. If you see any
I always say 16 o'clock or 14 o'clock.
but generally, okay, maybe in Germany, but generally we are not, because I have not heard that. If you see any standard communication, say at the airports, right?
In Germany, no English is correct because they all speak German. So I don't know if I'm correct or not.
But what I'm trying to say, if you see, for example, you take any airport is one of the places, right? You'll know. What is the railway station, the higher railway station, where like little.
Sir, actually, I've been in airports and all, when they announce when a plane is going to leave, the plane time leaving is, they always say it in the 24-hour format.
But they say, you're right, but they say hours or clock. They say hours, then also clock. They say it is 23:45 hours. Generally, those. So, Panash, you may be right, I'm not denying that, but most popular is hours, okay?
Yeah.
So, now, what is the rule to convert, guys? Rule to convert is very easy. If your time is in AM, no change. Means no need to add anything.
1, 2, 3,
But if
4.
your time is PM, then you add 12. Simple rule. If your time is in AM, no need to add anything. But if your time is in PM, then add 12. For example, let's try. To convert 12-hour format, I'm going to ask a lot of questions, guys. To 24-hour format. Just add 12 hours if time is in PM. That's the rule. That is the only rule. For example, if I am saying, listen very carefully. If I am saying 3 PM, Oh, it's a PM, sir. So I'm going to add 3 plus 12. It becomes 15. Obviously, there is no minutes, hours. Correct? But the time is 3 a.m. No, sir. Nothing to add. It is just 03 hours. It's same. It's same only.
3 hours.
3 hours. That's it. So the point is, you don't have to add 12 if it is in AM. For example, if I say 5:21 p.m., are we going to add IRA or not? We are going, but we are going to add 12 only to hours, not in minutes. So 12 plus 5 becomes 17. 17, 21 hours. How you read this, IRA? Generally?
17:21 hours.
That's it. That's the way. 17, 21 hours. And tell me, Chaitanya, if the time is this, are you going to add 12 or not?
No, sir.
So you all just say, this is standard way of writing, 0 power or 4, 15 hours. Or 0, 4, 15 or 4. That's it.
Okay, sir.
So what I want everyone to do now is, on the chat, I'm going to ask you 5 questions. You have to write the time in 24 hours. Everybody write this. Quickly write on the chat how you convert that. Fast. Because I want to use time zone also today, okay? Quickly. 7 p.m. How you write it? And Aditya, correct, you have to write hours also. You should write the word hours. Correct again. Correct, Aditya, Panash, everyone. Ira, please. What about if I say, quickly write this one. Next one, please, quickly, guys. Keep writing. I'm going to ask you 5 questions, then we'll move on. Sometimes they put 0 also, just to write it symmetrically. That's it. Is it 13:33 hours? No, Panash. It is AM. Correct?
Oh, I am noted.
Yes. Ira, it will not be, you will not write AM there. No, Ira. You don't write AM, PM in 24 hours format, right, guys? You have to be very careful. Good. So answer is 01:13 hours. If I say, write quickly, guys. No speaking. Mute, Panash. Everybody just write the answer. 6:06 p.m. Guys, be careful. In hurry, you're writing something wrong. It is 18:06 hours. It is 18:06 hours. Right, Divyam? Ira, Panash, 18:06 hours. Good. Let's see. Fast, okay? Divyam, AM will not come, Divyam. We are writing 24-hour format, no AM, PM thing. You will say simply, sir, 11:59 hours. I am again you telling guys, everyone. AM, PM is 12-hour thing. Hours is your 24-hour thing. Let's see who write quickly. I am giving a lot of questions. Quickly, who will write this? 12 noon. How 12 noon will be? Yes, Aditya. 12 noon will be? Guys, be fast. You should be ready. Ira, Aditya, everyone. But you should be ready fast. 12 noon is 12 hours. 12:00 hours. Correct? What about this, guys? What will say this last? What do you think? Ira, typing mistake? 12 midnight, either you call it 2400 or you call it 0000 hours. Guys, 12 midnight, you can tell any one of them. Correct? 0 hours, 00 hours or 24 hours. Both are correct. Correct or not?
I feel that 0 is weird. Like you were at 12 something and then at once it's like 0. Oh, wait.
What do you think, guys? You have seen clock all around the world, airports and malls. Aditya, what do you think? We said 2400 hours or 00 hours or both?
I'll say 0 hours and
So, okay.
both.
What did you saw in your airports, other places generally? Generally, they write 000. Divya, what do you think? You would have seen clock around the world, watches.
They would use like 24-hour format for their
Yeah, but they will call 0000 or 2400. What they will call? Maybe anybody tell me. Yes.
24.
I know it's confusing. See, most of places they use 000. 24. The moment they say 24, they will reset to 0. For a moment they say 2400, they reset to 0. But is everybody clear? Let's do two last question. Yes. And I want this time everyone has to be perfectly clear, perfectly correct. Okay. 5:29 p.m. Shoot, answer fast. And the right answer for this is no. Ira, what's happening? I know you know it, but Ira, are you in hurry, right, Ira? 17:29 hours. What about this guys? Fast. Fast, convert fast and tell me quickly. I'll accept only those answers who are writing completely. Okay. You will say this only. If you miss hours word, I am not going to consider. 01, 03 hours. Chaitanya, good. Ira, good. Divyam, not 13. Aditya, good. Panash. Last one. Quickly, last question for all of us. It will be rightful, guys. You cannot say like this. You have to be this.
Instead of shift किया है by mistake plus return की.
वो मुझे लग रहा है क्योंकि आयरा गलती से प्लेस कर रही है. ठीक है. Now, who want to take a challenge now? And I will accept only. Okay, everybody will do it, but I want to do. See, the rule of the challenge is what? You can add only one answer. If you write first time wrong. Okay. It's a story. Okay, it's a story about Ira. Okay, it's Ira's story. Fine. The challenge is about Ira's story. Fine, Ira. Ira started. What? Say a journey at 11:13 p.m. on Wednesday. Okay? Some Wednesday. If it takes 26 hours and 18 minutes, at what time and day in 24 hours format she will reach? Guys, think and tell me only one answer, okay? I don't expect multiple. Only one answer.
We're speaking in such a dark voice right now.
Sorry? Is it?
speaking in such a dark voice right now, like the scary voices in the movies.
Oh, really? I have not. Is it? No, but I am not doing like that. But maybe I can say like that. No, I started a journey 11th. Then you can say I'm scary, right? 11:30 p.m. somewhere, some dark house somewhere. Okay. It takes 26 hours and she will disappear somewhere. Okay. After that. So think, guys, when she will reach and which date, what time in 24 hours format, please. Let's see who does it correct. Okay, this is a challenge, as I said, right? You have to write which day, what time, and 24-hour format. Okay. So Ira is like, okay. And Ira, tell everyone, where are you going in such a dark night? Okay.
To a haunted society
To
which
the
has
haunted society.
ghosts.
Do you love ghosts, Ira? No. Are you
No.
scared of watching those horror movies? I am scared. What about you?
Can't read a horror book
Oh, okay.
because it's too boring.
My son loves those horror movies. Tell me, no answer yet, anyone? Wednesday, 11:13 p.m. She started from her home to some horror house, she said. It takes 26 hours and 18 minutes of journey. When she will reach, what time? Okay, Panash wrote his answer. Aditya wrote his answer. Right, everyone? Ira also will write her answer. Chaitanya, your answer. And the right answer, guys, is it will be Friday, not Thursday. It will be 11 and 2, 1. So 1, 18 and 28, 31 hours. That's the answer. Now tell me
Sorry,
why.
that 24-hour clock. After 12, it comes 13.
Okay, see here what it is. You want it on a night, right, Ira? You start
So it's
late
a
night.
24-hour clock. So after 12
Sir,
is 13.
I
But
only got
it is the night.
Got it.
Wait. So wait. Answer one by one. Wait, Aditya. Ira, this is the night time, right? After 47 minutes, it will be the next day. It will be time will start in the 00. It will come 13. Tell me. Acha, tell me. It is 11 p.m. Suppose, Ira. After 2 hours, what will be time? It is 11 p.m. The problem,
Sir.
Ira, is this extra 2 hours, right, Ira? See, 26 hours. So, because of 24 hours, 1 day is enough. So, Wednesday becomes Thursday. But what will be time after 2 hours here? So what will be time
Time is
after 2 hours?
13. 13, 13.
Will be 13:13 or it will be the AM then again? Check now.
Sir,
11:13 in the night.
Okay, 1:30. 1.
In the night, correct?
Yes.
So that's what this will be 1.
I got it.
Now, minutes is 18 and 30 is 21. Now, why it's Friday? Because Wednesday night, 26 hours, 24 hours, Thursday night. Then 2 hours become Friday morning. Agree,
sir,
everyone?
I only got the day wrong. I was
But
like,
guys, I know, but this is a challenge, well, right, Aditya? It was like easy, but very difficult.
I said 13:31 hours Thursday. It was Friday.
It was Friday.
I also wrote that.
Good, Panash. Good, Aditya. Good, Vaira. But the thing is, it was a challenging question because you think a lot of things, right?
In the starting, I was thinking, why did he give us such an easy challenge? And then I
But
noticed 11:13 p.m.
yeah,
Sir, you tell how and how much time did you solve this question?
this will take 20-30 seconds. That's it. You know why, Ira? I'll tell you. The way I'll do is 26 hours, right? First, I'll remove from 26, I'll remove 24. Become 2 hours, right? So if I remove 24 hour extra, Wednesday become Thursday, right? So now my question becomes Thursday and 2 hours later. So 2 hours later, 11:13 plus 2 hours. So 18 minutes I added here. And because of next day, so everything in mind. That's it.
And the 13 came after plusing the
18 plus 13 is 31.
yeah.
Minutes and minutes, yes. And I intentionally made a difficult question to people to think. Okay, guys? That is about how you do 12 hours to 24 hours. Now, let's do reverse. How to convert 24 hours format to 12 hours format.
That's easy, sir.
Can I
When we
Can I
12 hours to 24 hours, we added 12. But
Correct.
since we're doing the opposite, additions, opposite, subtraction, we have to minus 12.
If time is more than 12, then subtract 12 hours. That is the rule, correct? The time is more than 12, then subtract 12 hours. Otherwise,
and add PM?
correct, and write PM. So, for example, if I say 1500 hours, is it more than 12? Yes, sir. To subtract 3, it becomes 3
3 p.m.
p.m.
3 p.m.
But if I say it is, say, it is hours, is it more than 12? No, sir. Means no change.
That means 10
Same
a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Correct, everybody? The rule is very simple. Always look for whether it is more than 12 or less than 12. Okay? I'll give one more example. If it is 20, 35 hours, just check the hours. Oh, 20, it is more than. Subtract 12. 20 minus 12, 8. Sir, 8:35 p.m. But if I say it is 11, 60, 11, not 67, I'm wrong. Hours. Sir, it is lesser than 12. I'll not change anything. I'll write exactly same number, but I got the rule? More than 12, you subtract 12 and write PM. If it's less than 12, don't do anything. Write the same number with M. That's it. Tell me, are you ready to do 5 questions now? This time, please be very careful and please write the correct answer. No hurry, okay? Let's try. Tell me the answer of this in 12-hour format. Fast. Yes, I write. Okay, she's calculating. Yes, Aditya. Everyone write quickly, quickly, quickly. Very good, Panash. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Ira. Right answer is 4:00 p.m. or 4 p.m. Both are correct. Perfect. Write this 21, 22 hours. Write fast. Correct, Ira. But what about minutes, Ira? Ah, yes. Right, Aditya. Right, Panash. Quickly, guys. Correct, Chaitanya. What if I give the next third question as 10:30 hours? Write fast. We'll simply say, sir, 10:30 a.m. Correct? Now, shall I put a challenge now? Let me choose, okay. Easy challenge, okay, this time. How much?
No, hard one.
It's easier. How much will be time in? How much will be time in 12-hour format? 3 minutes after. Okay, guys, you have to write on the chat, okay? 3 minutes after. Write down. Quickly. So we are sure that 3 minutes means 23:58 becomes. You all are clear here, right? You also clear here. So what we write here? We write 00 or we write 12? What is
0 is wrong because 00 comes when the minutes are also 00. But the minute has exceeded 1, so we have to write 12:1. It became this AM.
So you are saying this is correct.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Good. Now if I say, if Aditya's watch shows, okay, here's some watch, okay, the watch shows Sunday, what will it show exactly after 10 me, okay? Think about it there. You have to write in the same format. That's why I'm not saying, because format is not changing. What will it show exactly after 46 minutes? Write down. Yes, it has to be exactly same format. He's not changing his format. His watch, just after 14 minutes, he's checking his watch. That's it. Think about it, guys. Still people are doing. Its watch will show. Shall I tell the answer now? Is everyone convinced about your answer? His watch should show like this. Capital M. Guys, be very sure. I say exactly. Okay, capital M. Okay. 00:32. That should be the exact. Now tell me how many of you are exactly correct. No one.
Well, it did not specify that it was a digital watch or analog watch.
No, doesn't matter. It is. This is what is shown now. This is the format showing. And after 40 minutes, again he's checking his watch. It will show like this, I don't know.
No, it will show 12.
Why?
It's analog watch.
That's very smart, Ira.
Sir, it's analog watch. It feels so
Ira is
good.
very smart. Ira, clap for Ira. Very smart. That's correct. It's analog watch. Ira says, sir, what? It is this. Okay, good. Can you tell me one more thing? Okay, now I will clarify. Now I'll clarify that. 1 second. Huh? Hello? आ जाओ भैया. Yes. So, guys, no, I will clarify because Ira has put a disclaimer. So, yes, no, it's a digital watch, okay? She is very smart. Aditya's digital watch. What was it showing? What was it showing? It's a difficult question. Take your time, okay? It's a difficult question. You have to think. What was it showing 27 hours, 58 minutes ago? Okay, guys? No, you did lot of calculation. Aditya, it's your watch. Okay, you have to do it right. Okay, it's your watch.
I don't have a watch that shows like that.
Get one, no problem. You can get one. No, your reason no. Okay, this is not difficult question, you know. I'll tell you the way. It's not difficult. Let's try. So it shows now Sunday 23:46 hours. What was showing 27 hours 58 minutes ago? You know what Aditya will say? Sir, battery gone. It was stopped. Nothing was there. I changed the battery few minutes ago. Okay? You can say that, Aditya. To full right. He said, Aditya said, sir, it was showing 6 p.m. Because battery was dead. I just changed the battery few minutes ago. So you are saved there. Correct, Aditya or not?
Sir, best. Just say the watch is broken.
Saturday 2012, Paraj is saying, okay.
The time, or to switch the time to 00 and just keep on switching it to 00. That is what we do, you know. So we always like to correct answer.
Mm-hmm.
You never have to multiply it, set it again to 00.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'll tell you how to solve. Okay, very easy way. See, we want 27 or 58 minutes ago, right, Aditya and everyone? First, we'll subtract 24 hours. Why? So that 1 day is. So I remove 24 hours. How much hours am I here? 3, right? So Sunday becomes what? Agree? So problem becomes still simple now or not? Now, you remove 3 hours also from this. So it will be this. This is also gone. Correct? Now you have to do 58 minutes. If you don't want to remove 58 minutes, remove the full hour. If you remove the full hour, 1946. But 2 minutes extra. 48 done. That's the way. 58 minutes ago, you do 1 hour ago and then add 2 minutes. That's it. Got it? This is challenge question, everybody. Nobody got it still.
I did 48 minus 58 minus the total, and then I forgot to minus the end what was left of the minutes, and I added it to my number.
Perfect. Let's do one last thing which you all know or not. Do you know what is different? Okay, do you think everybody knows this?
Two in the mirror.
Sorry. So guys, listen carefully now. Is everyone know that there are different time zones in the world, or everybody knows there's only one time zone? What do you think?
Different.
Do you know that? Suppose in, say, let's say Canada, or let's say USA, or let's say even Australia. There are not one time zone, multiple time zones, right? DPM? Right? In Germany, how much time zones, Panache? Only 1 or twice or 3? I don't know.
I think two.
But 2. In Canada, there are 3, I think. In Australia, there is 2 or 3. But what I'm talking is different time zones. So how do we convert different time zones? Suppose everybody use Google now, okay? Suppose in India, it is 4 p.m. Tell me what time will be it in Melbourne. So what you'll do is, you Google first, what is time difference between India and Melbourne. Everybody do that. Don't check 4 p.m. Google and find out time difference between India and, let's say this Mumbai. So, if 4 p.m. in Mumbai, what will be time at Melbourne now at 4 p.m.? So, first
Sir,
find out
where is Melbourne?
Melbourne in Australia.
Australia. Okay, I'll
What
go
you
check.
do is, I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, guys, I'm showing you my computer.
Sir,
Go here. You go here. Now, what I'm going to show is, let's say Mumbai and Melbourne time difference. You should like that also. See what is saying? Melbourne is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Mumbai. Did you see this, guys? So now I'll come back to I'm telling you how to check the time, how to convert time zone.
sir, actually, sir,
Yes, please.
for me, I can, with the mathematical calculation, I can do it without Google because
I know,
in my,
but no. I'll tell you why I'm telling Google. Wait, Aditya, that's why we are learning. But you know that because of DST, the time zone changes. That's why, see, I don't know how many of you know what is DST. So Aditya, I'll tell you why we need to Google, because it's not like the whole 1 year, the time will always, zone will be same. No. This is different, I'll tell you. But first understand, I'll come back to it. What it's saying, Melbourne is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. So Melbourne time will be more, right? So you add 5 hours 30 minutes to this, you'll say 5 plus 4, 9. You'll say this is the time. Okay, Aditya and everyone?
Time was invented. So time was invented before in Melbourne than in Mumbai.
So guys, this is a very important thing for all of us. Okay, if you do convert time zone, you should know the time difference between the two cities. So Mumbai is 4 p.m. Melbourne is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. So Melbourne time is 9:30. Now to answer Aditya's question, Aditya, are you there?
yes, sir.
Come on screen. I'll tell you one thing, why we need Google. Okay. So Aditya, what happens is, there is February now, right?
Yeah.
Today you Google, you know that Melbourne is 5 hours 30 minutes. But if you find out, say after say June or July, you know what will happen? They will change the clock 1 hour behind. You know what will happen? That time they will say, sir, it is 4 hours 30 DST. So there's a difference. So that's why you cannot memorize everything. So then it will become 8:30. Because what happens is every 6 months in the world, they do DST change. I'll tell you what is DST. DST savings. Daylight savings. I want you to, that will be homework. Daylight savings. Read about
I
why.
don't remember you told me about this when I asked why is Germany sometimes 4 hours ahead of India and sometimes 3 hours.
So why it happens? Because they reset their clock 1 hour earlier, 1 hour late because of DST, daylight saving.
So
how
that's
many of you know
more
about
daylight
DST?
in the morning. So it is more daylight in the morning.
Sorry?
So it's so that there's more daylight after you come from work.
So, correct. So I'll tell you why DST happens. Yes, but so anybody knows why DST happens and why DST is required? Aditya, Divyam, Chaitanya, anyone? Ira? Why we need DST? In India, we don't have DST. We don't change the clock. In Australia, they do it. USA, they do it. Divyam, yes. I'll explain why DST happens.
Because the time zone gets faster and slower.
So DST, okay, DST is happen because we want to save the light, the artificial light. What happens is, for example, do you know in winter the nights are bigger, right? And in summer days are bigger. Everybody knows that. Suppose say, I'll tell you. Suppose say there is a rule that after 6 p.m. listen carefully. Suppose there is a rule Then after 6 p.m., because there is a darkness, everyone should switch on the light. Okay, there is the rule in any country. Suppose, let's say US. Okay, after 6 p.m., all the street lights everywhere in all the offices, the light should be made on because it's a night. But what happens is, in the summer, it's 6 p.m. also there will be lot of natural light or not, guys, right? But in the winter at 6 p.m. it will be dark. So switching on light is okay. But in winter, in summer, at 6 p.m. still the lot of light, sunlight is there, or that's why. So what you American says is, you change the timing to 5 p.m. 1 hour early. So that though it was in 6 p.m., not 5 p.m. only. So you do after 1 hour. So you save the light. Got the idea?
So since winter and summer, winter
1
lasts
hour
for 6
Sorry?
most of the time in a year, like 6 months of the year, it lasts mostly cold and all. So the days end very early. But in the
Yes.
summer,
Yes.
the other 6 months, summer, since it's
Long days. Yes.
we have very long days. To manage this, I think they created DST so that these rules, like you can't change a rule always, keep changing a rule always. So they started changing the time.
Correct. Which is weird because it's difficult to educate all the people rather change the rule, but they don't want to change the rule, they want to change the clock. So if you will not believe, everybody reset their clock every 6 months in US and Canada and Australia, right? So DST. So that's why we need Google, because we will not remember which country is changing time which day, right? Somebody change in June, somebody change in May end, somebody 1st June, somebody 1st July. So that's difficult. So that is about DST. But if you forget we moment for a DST for a moment, if I want to check like this, Dubai, it is 4 p.m. Can you tell me if it is 4 p.m. in Dubai, what will be time in Bangalore? So what you do, we have to find out time difference between Dubai and Bangalore. You can Google it, or if you remember, then good. You can just tell me, Ira.
I got it.
Sir, is gonna be 3 hours 9 minutes.
So Dubai and Bangalore, what is the time difference? Let's find out first. Tell me, Ira. You said already, right?
Sir, we are not checking the DST, right?
Bangalore is 1 hour 30 minutes ahead of Dubai. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
we are not checking the DST, right? We are not
No,
including.
so forget DST for a moment. No.
That means now normally I know this. The UAE and India time differences, that
Exactly.
India is ahead 1 hour 30 minutes ahead of UAE.
So you are very right, Aditya. So see, some country we don't do DST now, we can memorize. We always know that India is 130 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes ahead, you can directly calculate. You are right. Yes.
5:30 in
So
Bangalore.
because Bangalore is ahead, it is 4 p.m. So Bangalore will have more time. So 5:30. So Aditya, the point what I'm trying to tell here is, if some country doesn't follow DST, so they can directly memorize, right? We know that, okay, Dubai is 1.5 hours behind. So tell me, if I change from Dubai to Singapore, know what will happen? Can you calculate, everybody write on the chat? If Singapore is 4 p.m., what will be Bangalore time? You have to find out time difference, right, Aditya? Can we memorize all the time difference in the world? No, right? Maybe
No,
you
sir.
use UAE, I use Australia and US, Canada. Somebody use
Sir,
Pakistan.
for
You
that,
can remember those. Correct.
we can't memorize all of them, but I only try to remember not the actual one, but the important ones. Like
Correct.
the time difference between India and UAE, we can do. And the time difference between USA and India, or USA and Abu Dhabi, it's easy because
But
USA is like in the other side
no,
of the world.
no. Aditya, I'll tell you what the problem. See, that's why I'm telling city name, not country names. We can't say USA. You know why? In USA, different city at different timing. Do you know that?
What?
Will you believe in USA, there are 2 or 3 different time zones, EST, PT, and I think Central Time, CT. So in USA itself, the time in New York and time in Miami or maybe time will be different. They use 3 different time zones. Can you believe that? Check. Google it. They have 3 different time zones. ET, Central Time, and PST. So you can't go by country, you go by city. So understand what is, I'll do the example now. But first tell me what is the answer for this. Singapore is
Sir,
over 30 minutes ahead.
I have one more doubt, sir.
1 second.
Like in my map, it
Yes.
shows a lot of clocks at the ends of the longitude and
Correct.
those clocks. If you minus them, will you get the time difference?
Yes.
The time zone.
But whether you have to see the DST thing, otherwise, yes, you will. Because they will mention some star there, your DST, you have to take care. So tell me answer for this. What is the Bangalore time?
Bangalore time. I don't
Singapore
know.
is 4 p.m. What is Bangalore time? No, I wrote the calculation here.
Oh, okay.
Tell me everyone.
Then it will be 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes.
So it will be 1:30 p.m. Correct? No, I'll give you one more example. You will see just to tell Aditya. Okay. So see, Karan. Suppose in Jaipur or say Delhi, it is 6 p.m. No, USA, I'll say New York first. New York. Let me find out Delhi and New York time difference.
Sir,
1 second. Yes, please.
this is Aditya speaking, sir. I've got another class right now, so can I leave?
Yes, please. I am finishing in 5 minutes because I want to make sure that US at different time zone. See, Delhi is 10 or 30 minutes ahead. See, Delhi is 10 or 30 minutes ahead.
Bye,
So,
sir.
bye. What will happen is, it will be 7:30 a.m. Okay? Because Delhi is ahead. But if I go another place in USA, suppose let me say, I don't know, Las Vegas. That's what I was telling to Aditya. Las Vegas is 13 hours 30 minutes. Can you believe in USA itself there is a Las Vegas? Las Vegas is 13 hours 30 minutes behind. So it will be no, check what I'm telling you. See, the same country, guys, there are two different timings. Understood, Ira? What I'm telling you is, in a one country, there are multiple time zones. In Australia, they follow 2 time zones, 3 time zones. Canada, they follow multiple time zones, right? Not only one. So, like USA, they call it ET, CT, and PT, right? Eastern time, Central time, and Pacific time. Similarly, in Canada and all. So, if you have to convert time zones, guys, you have to find out what is the time difference between both and add or subtract. Ask me, Ira. You were saying something, Ira. Can anybody Google and tell me now what will be time in Delhi is 6 p.m. What will be time in Perth, Australia? Can you find out and tell me? Google, find a difference and then tell me. I'll not Google, you will tell me what will be the answer. You find out Google how much time difference is there and then tell me the answer. Okay, Divyam. Then you found something else. Divyam, what I want is time, not the birth. Okay. Yes, Ira, tell me.
It will be 10 p.m. 30 minutes.
Because what is Perth? Have you found Perth is 2 hours 30 minutes ahead? So, Ira, it is 2 hours. Yes, because Perth is this. Okay, Ira, you are right. Perth is 2 hours 30 minutes ahead. So Perth will have more time. You add 2 hours 30 minutes. You'll say 8:30 p.m. Correct? I'm only telling the method, guys. Numbers you can find from Google or anywhere. But numbers, I am telling the method. You have to find out difference and then add or subtract. Okay, Chaitanya, Ira, Divyam, Panash. That is what? How you time and measurement. Any question, anyone, before we close?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you understand daylight saving?
Shall I explain daylight saving?
Yes, sir.
That is a homework for all of you. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Daylight savings. DST. So, it's a homework. Read about it and tell me tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll explain. What is, you have to tell me two questions, okay? What is this and why it's done? Okay? I explained yesterday, okay, but tomorrow you everybody read out. This is a homework for all of you, okay?
You already explained right before we did the time difference.
I know, but still I want you to read fully and then tomorrow explain me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I want everyone to speak on this tomorrow for first 2-3 minutes, okay? What is DST? Why it's done? And give me an example. Yes, Divya.
You didn't send work last. You didn't send the work for last week.
Yeah, it's a pattern. It's a symmetry thing, so I'll send it. Yeah, I was because sorry.
You didn't send the homework. I told my mom. I think
Yes.
she forgot to message.
No, I have not sent. Yes, sir, correct. I'll send it. Don't worry. I'll send it because last two. I'll send it. Last few topics homework soon. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. See you tomorrow, everyone. Any more questions?
No.
No.
This is the homework for you to research for 10 minutes and tell me tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.